Welcome to F4 Sisters Dreamhouse. Hi friends, welcome back. Today is a very special day, it's Christie's birthday. Get ready to join the fun, feel the love, and along the way, we'll learn some cool new English vocabulary together. Listen carefully. Birthday surprise.
Hello! My name is Christie, and I live in a charming little town with my three wonderful sisters, Daisy, Stacie, and Chelsea. Daisy is the eldest, and she often acts like a second mother to us. Stace is full of brilliant ideas, and Chelsea, the youngest, is a bundle of pure joy. Today, I'm going to tell you about a day that made me feel incredibly cherished, my birthday. The morning of my birthday began like any other, or so I thought. I had no idea that my sisters were secretly working together to make the day unforgettable. As I lazily came down the stairs, rubbing my sleepy eyes, the house was unusually quiet. Suddenly, the lights flickered on, and a loud chorus of surprise filled the air. I was completely bewildered, and then, overwhelmingly happy. The living room was transformed into a spectacular party space. Shimmering balloons floated everywhere, delicate fairy lights twinkled like stars, and a massive banner hung proudly saying, "Happy birthday, Christ!" Daisy had baked a magnificent chocolate cake that smelled absolutely divine. Stace handed me a beautiful, handmade birthday card, full of sweet messages that warmed my heart. And little Chelsea, with a huge grin, presented me with a bouquet of fresh flowers she had painstakingly picked from our garden. We spent the entire afternoon singing, dancing, and playing hilarious games. Even a small pillow fight erupted, filling the room with giggles and laughter. When it was time to cut the cake, I made the most important wish, to always stay this close to my sisters. That evening, we all cuddled under a big, cozy blanket, sipping hot cocoa. I looked at my sisters and whispered, "The best present in the world is having all of you by my side." They smiled, and in that simple, magical moment, I realized family is life's greatest treasure.
Interesting vocabulary and phrases. Incredibly cherished means something or someone is deeply loved and valued in a very strong and heartfelt way. Example: the handmade card from my sister was incredibly cherished, I'll keep it forever. Unusually means more or less than normal, strangely, unexpectedly. Example: the house was unusually quiet that morning, which made me feel something special was going on. Flickered means to shine or move with quick, small changes in brightness or movement. Example: the light suddenly flickered, and then a loud surprise filled the room. Chorus means a sound made together by many voices, often loudly and joyfully. Example: a loud chorus of surprise filled the air when the lights came on. Bewildered means completely confused or surprised in a way that makes you stop and think. Example: I was completely bewildered when everyone shouted surprise. Overwhelmingly means extremely, so much that it's hard to handle or describe. Example: I was overwhelmingly happy when I saw the surprise party. Painstakingly means done very carefully and thoroughly, even if it takes a lot of time. Example: Chelsea painstakingly picked the flowers from our garden, one by one, to make the perfect bouquet. Hilarious means extremely funny, causing great laughter. Example: we played some hilarious games that made us laugh so hard our tummies hurt. Cuddled means to hold close in your arms or sit very close to someone in a soft, caring way. Example: Christie cuddled up in her blanket and feeling safe and happy. Thank you.